distinguished guests, and my fellow students. My name is Blessing Oladeni. I'm a 300 level pharmacist from the School of Music, and I just want to use this opportunity to thank our VC. I want to thank our EPS director, Dr. Mary, and also our facilitators. We've learned a lot of things in music, and our tutor has taught us a lot, and I would like to play just a song out of the plenty songs we've been taught. First of all, I just want to educate us on something about the saxophone that we've been taught. First of all, this is a saxophone. Most people mistaking this for a trumpet. Some people tell me, I love your trumpet. I said, no, this is a saxophone. And as I play this, if you can sing along, I'm just going to play a simple hymn. Thank you as you listen.